Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a car dealership and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right spot today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your car dealership. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, car dealership. There it is over there. If you've got a used car dealer, there is that option as well. But for this one, I've just got a car dealership, so I'm going to select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business. Go ahead and put in your company name as well as your city and your state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Awesome. Let's go ahead and change that to service. Click on continue. Let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. Look at that. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing stock on vehicles you have in your dealership. Want to showcase it on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. Want to make the sections a little bit more personalized to your business. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. Certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. Let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box so my customers can see my email address and reach out. Phone number, let's pop it in. That is click to call, by the way. And address, physical location. The great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps on the top left-hand corner. Whoops. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. We've got all the various social media platforms here. If there's any you want us to add as well, go ahead and put a comment below and let us know. In the next section, if you have a logo, go ahead and upload it over here. If you don't have a logo, check out canva.com, logo.com, or hatchful.com. We do have some videos on those logos, making a free logo if you don't have a huge budget on those websites, so check it out. Once you've saved your logo, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. And here on the right, so you can make it bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them, go ahead and click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update images, is where you can browse your device and upload your own images. Search through the photo library. There's hundreds of high quality images to choose from. And you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have a profile, automatically pull in all those images. Under update actions, where we can change those call to action buttons, the text, as well as where the buttons link to, even uploading a PDF file if you wish to. In the last section, you can put your car dealership trading hours. Go ahead and click on update section. Head on over to update hours. Once you've updated it, the page will automatically reload after saving to display your trading hours over here, your opening hours for your business. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain at the bottom, the yellow button. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want your website to look more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your neighborhood, go ahead and click that button as well. You can purchase a custom domain from the Marty Sites platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.